My counterfeit bill's not working. Yes, brother. Yes. How you going, Sheriff? There's the white 03, boys. Hey yo YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaden back at again with another video. So right now I'm at the city with my cousin Tiana, and right now we're at Luna Park, but the whole place is closed for some reason. But we'll come back, so stay tuned for the next vlog. Ooh, photo shoot. But right now we finna explore the city. We could have been on this ride over here, but for some reason they just want to close this joint. How you going? So now we're stuck in the city, so I guess we gotta figure out something to do. I mean, it still is kind of nice though. It's like a ghost town up in here. We could have been on the Ferris wheel, Tiana. What else is there to do in the city though? We get something to eat at least. Here's the pools over here, boys. I ain't trying to go swimming today. I'm not even dressed for it. I was dressed to go on some rides. Guess we'll just leave the white 03 here for now. We'll catch a train. Alright, let's head to Circular Quay.
Then all stations to Liverpool, then Sealand, Glenville, Edmondson Park, and Leamington. The train on platform 6 goes to via Airport stations. This stop Circular Quay.
Oof, look at the view. Move out of the way. Gotta get some Maccas. Oh, stop. Oof, there's a brim.
What?
There's a brim down there. Just jump on. That's kind of trippy though. Where's Centrepoint Tower? Can't find it. Oh, Centrepoint Tower. Okay, right now we're at Westfields in the city and we're finna do some Christmas shopping. But I don't know where everything is. There's a Gucci store right there, but I ain't trying to spend no dollars today. Such a bougie place to be. This definitely isn't Westfields Parramatta. This is a bit too fancy for me. There's a Gucci store over there. I don't even know what Todd's is. They're all in suits and everything. I'm just trying to look for a Foot Locker or something. Like, where's Rebel Sport? Alright, what stores we got? Well, they actually have Foot Locker. They got like Adidas and stuff. Balenciaga. We made it to the normal section of this shopping center. Yeah, the floors aren't made out of marble anymore. Oh, they got that claw machine place. Alright, you need tokens. Oh, that's kind of... My counterfeit bill's not working.
I think it's folded.
Ah, genius. Oh no! You're supposed to put the cup down first. Alright vlog, what do we win? Oh, we could like just buy these straight off the bat. You don't even need skill to win. Look, you can win this. Bro, currently sold out. It's so sad. I don't want to win that. Yeah, use the joystick.
Should I get this one?
Yeah, move it over to the left more.
That?
Move it a bit forward. Yeah.
You reckon?
I reckon, yeah. Let's go, come on.
Let's go.
Oh!
Oh,
No! A bit more left.
Really?
And a bit more back, I think.
That.
A bit more left.
Really? I need to catch that bit.
Oh yeah, put it down then.
Oh,
It's, oh!
I don't know if that was... I should have done that one, the second
Yeah. It's up to you. Oh, it just wants to follow the dog.
2 hours later.
Hey Tiana. Ready? I got it. Got it. There, that's for you.
Cheers.
Put it on the Louis bag. Alright, now I need to win myself something. I think I might win myself a Sheriff Woody. Yeah. Alright boys, this is one-handed. Sheriff Woody, come these ways, brother. Oh, you dog. Sheriff Woody, come these ways, brother. Your dog. He is coming home today. Yes, brother. Yes, brother. Let's go. How you going, Sheriff? This fire. I reckon that one is closer to the drop zone. No, you just totally missed it. You ain't got the claw skills like me. I was 1-2. You haven't won anything yet. You actually like keep missing it totally.
Do you reckon that's okay?
Yeah.
Surely.
It just drops. It's so sad. A bit more forward towards you. And a bit more to the left. Alright, drop it. Let's go! Let's go! We out here. We got 3 of these fools. No! I hate this game. We are being greedy. We've got what we needed from here. Let's go. Alright, it's time to head back now, boys. Back on the tram. Alright, we're back. We need to scram. We need to make it back before the parking expires. Alright, we're almost back to the white 03. Shout out Sheriff Woody. Almost there. Literally. There's the white 03, boys. Damn. So many leaves. Dude, now we got Sheriff Woody just hanging up there. That's the mascot.
The next day.
We're in the white 03 once again, and I'm actually on the way to the courts right now because this YouTuber by the name of Yandori TV called me out to 1v1 in basketball. So I finna get a dub real quick.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands. Your ball. Set.
Let's go.
And that's that.
GG. Alright boys, so we're finally back home after that 1v1. Shout out to Yandori, but you know your boy had to get that dub real quick. But that's all I have for today's video, so if you enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe if you're new, and maybe leave a comment down below. Till next time guys, peace.
I do the same thing I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay.